The GREPSPUD Trailer Axle Hub Bearings Kit is a well-matched set for common 3,500-pound trailer axles using number 84 spindles, making it a practical choice for boat, utility, and cargo trailers. Each package includes 4 complete bearing and seal assemblies, plus hardware, so you can service multiple hubs at once and still have spares on hand for future maintenance. The chrome steel bearings run smoothly with low noise and feel solid in the hand, giving confidence that they will hold up under frequent towing. Double lip grease seals and snug-fitting dust caps do a good job of keeping lubricant in and road grime out, which helps extend bearing life between services. The parts arrive individually organized in protective packaging, so races, bearings, and small hardware are easy to identify and are not banged up in transit. Clear fitment information and straightforward installation, including the intentionally tight dust caps that tap in firmly, make this kit approachable even for do-it-yourself owners with basic tools.